Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this tutorial I'll show you a simple way to add numbers in Excel. Let's get started. It's important to know there are multiple ways to do adding in Excel, but here we will focus on a basic and easy method. We'll use this table here as an example to demonstrate how it's done. Here we have numbers written in column A and column B. Thanks to an easy formula, we will add them and the result will appear in column C. First, click the cell in which the result should be displayed. Let's select cell C2 for our first calculation. Next, find the equals key and press it. This is a signal to Excel that you want to enter a formula in the cell. Then click on the cell that contains the first number to be added. In this case, it's cell A2. Once you've selected the cell, you want to see that another part of the formula appeared after the equals sign. It's the cell reference A2. Now, add the symbol for the mathematical operation you want to carry out, in this case, a plus sign. Then, click on the cell that contains the second number to be added. In this case, it's cell B2. You have now just told Excel to add the number in cell B2 to the number in cell A2. Hit enter and you're done. The result is available at once. You can use similar steps to subtract, multiply or even divide in Excel. But there's more. Here's a little handy trick for you. If you need to add numbers in row 3 and 4, click on the cell containing the formula we've just created, which is in cell C2. Hover over the bottom right hand corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol, then use the left click to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. And there you have it. You have managed to add the numbers in all 3 rows. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to receive more videos from Sheet Leveler. Watch more videos that will help you use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.